What up, guys? 10 mil 1 here. Gonna do my final fireworks stash video stuff. This is what I plan on bringing out in Lighton today. It's 4th of July. I'm sure y'all know that. I'm sure y'all are just as excited as me. I started taking this video and then someone gave me a call, so I'm redoing it. Got a pack of Jungles. Just under 3 packs of the Devils. Bringing out 3 gold top Punishers. The Wolfgangs, bringing all those out. Those are great. Picked these up the other day. I haven't showed you them yet. Sunrise. Nice fountains again. Got a assortment of some shells. I didn't have this last time I did a video. Got some Rambos. Don't Panics, you've seen those. Single Zombies Return. And then there's like 2 sleeves of Excalibur Platinums in here, 2 of regular Excaliburs, and 2 of these, which are like King Cobra by Fox Fireworks, I think. The same people that make the Sonic shells. What the hell are those? Thrillers, there we go. Saving a couple sleeves of that pack. Black Scorpion Wolf Whistle to Salute. Couple grosses of Black Cats. Those are the showed you these. Ghosts and Goblins. Bombs Away. Nice 16-shot Snowball Cake. Up to 6 or 7 packs of these lit dynamite crackers. I got a demo if you guys want to see those. They're pretty nice. Got some old school paper fused Dixie Whistlers. I think these are DOT. Let me. Great. Oh, Black Panther. Black Panther paper fused Dixies. And one's not. What is this? Angel Brand. That one's actually got a Visco fuse. That one's DOT. Yeah. Not much. Nothing special, you know. Bag of Zips. Crackers. You've seen all those. Boss Lady by World Class. Original Gangster by Big Fireworks. Roll of some Towel Crackers. Don't Panic. Some red and green single shots. Single Whomping Willow, the Brocade Crown, then 2 of these big boys. I picked up the 3-pack, but I'm going to save one. I think haven't lit them yet. I'm hoping that one's color and one's Salute, and I'm saving one color. But, you know, can't go wrong anyway. It'll be good no matter what. And then Fireball Candles and Magical Roman Candles. Yeah, that's what we're working with this year. Hope everybody has a safe and fun 4th of July. Hope everybody wakes up tomorrow with just the same amount of fingers as they got right now, and the cops don't show up. Yeah, happy 4th, guys.